Alright everybody, diecastmania here with another video, and wow, I haven't said that in a while. Anyway, this is going to be a quick unboxing slash little bit of an update of things. So as of the time that this video is going to be uploaded rather, Happy New Year everybody. May 2019 be great to all of you. And thanks for sticking with me through the last little passage of time that I haven't really done anything here on YouTube. I know I've kept the Instagram updated periodically and so on and so forth, but really haven't been on YouTube very often, as my standards for producing videos sided with the mostly uniform kind of edited type of reviews. So really the reviews where I just go and film them in a couple takes and take the best one and upload them really didn't fit the quality standard that I set, so the making of videos has taken a lot more time than it used to, combined with the fact that I don't have as much time or freedom to do these kinds of things as I used to. As you know, as time goes on, I've acquired more responsibilities, to put it that way. I'm not going to dive too deep and bore you guys with my personal life, but that's one way to put it. So anyway, on with unboxing. So here we go. This is a very special unboxing, at least for me. I don't know about you guys, but here we go. This is a particularly hard to find piece. It is an OHS model, one of their white metal and resin series, made in England. So it's part of the Hauler series, the Terex 4066C, which was the last version of the 40-ton Terex articulated dump truck that was produced in green. So after that, the TA440 came in. TA40 came in white, and that later on, after a couple of generations, became the TA400. Anyway, here we go. Here we are. This one is as close to mint slash new condition as you can get, just about. Has nice shaped cardboard inserts to keep the model intact. I think I'll just pull these two out and here we go. So just like the brass ones, it has this little bag to protect the paintwork. So wow, this is a lot heavier than I expected. Just put this back in. This is really pretty nice. So We have a little paint scratch there, but that's okay. The 4066C. This is definitely one of their heavier white metal and resin pieces. The TR100s and the 33100Bs they have definitely aren't quite as heavy for their size, but this one, the bed is white metal, and so is most of the frame and the hood, as opposed to the 100-ton rigid frames that just have the white metal frame, and everything else, including the dump bed, is resin. But yeah, here we go. I mean, it looks kind of basic. That's because it was from the 1990s, the later 90s, built from a master that was then cast into a limited run. So it's not a real mass-produced model. It is pretty limited quantity. So I'll get some pictures of this. Gonna post it around. But yeah. Anyway.